They don't come again, no. Those people where they know they suffer to make money. Who na they call Yahoo boys. Some people say na Yahoo boys, some people say na rituals. In fact, any name where you want give them, but me I don't bring matter. If you na see where these people they, in fact, rain safe, rain they learn work. The money they fall like say tomorrow no even will come. See money. See people where the people won't kill themselves. The cars even won't pass for road. Cars won't pass. They don't even they care say car even jam them. Now so they just they pack money. If they happen for Benin, those states, my people for now we don't know what they happen. I don't bring on a better video, so join me. We can open the eye very well. Make we watch the video.
They can't for destiny. And they throw money, oh, every year don't cast for me. Yeah, so money they pick. That's so, not for direct. I want to do precise. Not for direct, oh, Yahoo boys they throw money, oh. Don't carry your head this time.
Slay queens gather here. Today now today. Make una see. Start they sit down. Anyway you the way they see me now. Sit down, relax yourself. You understand? I tell una before. I be not talking. I tell una say these people go soon come for una. They don't finish rituals. But the one where I no come now, whether na Jesus people or the ones which chop raw fowl, or I don't know where this group they come from, but they say they just finish their rituals. So now Baba don't pay them. In fact, devil don't pay them. And they should say this thing where they do now. Now the Baba give them that instruction. See how they hi Chineke. No, not see. They come for now. I said they come. They don't already come. You know, say they don't even see first movement. They don't show. And this one now, many people now, now, no, safe. Now go come they wish say, where can I meet them? Where can I do this? Where? Some people not just like their life. And now where they pick this money, I just they pity una. Now just they give away on destiny. Some things no. Hi, Chineke. Now what? You go come be like say how to they talk. You know whether they don't tell them say throw this money anybody will pick up. If they no go make money for this life again, all their sweat go they enter on our pockets. I not to say you know if you pick money, they get some kind of money way. You know say this one a blessing. This one you know, ha. Hello. See, these people now they don't come meet una way foolish because now una go even fall. Now una go even fall. Una think say they work hard for this money. Check them. Anybody wey work legit work, they no fit waste money like this. This is waste. No, think am. Say you work, you be business person or you dey work for office. They don't pay you salary, you call road. No, you use your head. You don't see them before. You fit do them. They no work for this money. So they don't even know the value. In their mind, they just Chineke. See, una know they ask yourself questions. Before you do anything for this life, ask yourself, this thing in the next 2 years, how will it benefit me? Wait till I go lose. See. And for now, where they spend this money, they throw it. I pity you. I just they pity you because una no even know what you even need for this life. Small change when I don't make. No go come announce am. They show una self. Small change. How much una get? Una get money to throw, but una cars, see cars say where they use. They no even fit change am. Cheap cars. And yes, some people go still sit down. They follow this ones. me why God no go punish some people. No, just give me one reason why God no go punish some people. People dey somewhere now, they cry. All these yahoo. People dey places now, they cry. See wetin these people they do with people money. And una go dey talk say, hey, God don't bless person. God, who God bless? Who God bless? Tell me. When all these things one they do go start to come against una. Anyhow, thank God say I no be pastor. I just dey pity all the pastors because they get work. They get work to come do. To start the deliver all of una one by one. Ngwanu EFCC, make una come. I don't bring una correct work. I don't say this one no go hard una to trace. You understand? Because the card, the plate number, everything they there. So because go look for them. Since they don't get anything to do with their time and their money, look for these people and collect the balance where they their pocket, where they think say they don't arrive with. Ngwanu, go collect and no, I want hear tomorrow say breaking news. Say they don't collect. Understand? I want now waiting. I they wait for. Anyhow, I get the manager number, so I go call her by myself. I go give her this because I know they lie nonsense. Now they quite intimidate people. So all the boys when they do legit work now, when they give them pressure, they go come they feel like say they know they do anything for this life. Thunder go so fire some people for this place. I mean my people, now the matter where I bring for una be this. So I want to know what you now still think concerning this matter. So drop her for the comment section. And if you never subscribe, it is very important. Make sure say you subscribe and share this video. Make everybody know what thing they happen. I love you guys. See you later. My people, I don't bring una matter from Anambra. Some people they call them prophet, some people they call them pastor, some people, in fact, I don't even know. But the thing with me, I see by myself, my people, this thing, you know, get anything to do with God. Make we not deceive ourselves. You understand? Now they say the man, he calling clients, he get, I don't even know, Bill, I say they be up to 10, I don't even know my people. He call them out, they don't already set, and these clients where they talk about, they don't give this man better money. Say make you do rituals for them. You understand? Maybe they swim inside money. That's so the man call them, carry them, go one dirty river like that. If you now see this river, that's all of them sit down inside. They spray 50 naira. They spray and they do incantation. My people, I beg. Now I say before now me go end up they run mad. Because make a bring and come for now. So because my people, make we watch the so-called prophets.
Ene kwa na azuro na no live video. Eke lolu e. Eke lolu e. Obo na enye agbalo na enye ba. Obo na enye agbalo. E ga na abia. E ga na abia kan ni na ke. E ga na abia kan ni na ke. Eke lolu e. Mo lu ko lu li o ka. Mo lu ko lu li o ka. Mo lu ko lu li o ka.
See who they call prophet. So wait this one now na pastor. Any small thing una go just they call prophet pastor. No, prophet from where? Because I don't understand though. This one they do ritual. The thing where even they pay me for this whole thing. Even they call Jesus. If they call the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Bros, how? He Chineke. Una like the suffer. Una just like the suffer unnecessarily Nigerians. No, I tell you, not be just Nigerians. Say Africa like the suffer. Una no fit just dey low key. Do your work. Depend on God and move. Every time una they like fast movement, fast, shortcut. Why? How long una want they do this? See adults wey sit down inside dirty water. Tomorrow now go get infection, now go come they blame devil. See water when I sit down. I never see this one before. Slay queens. Make una come see una future sugar daddies. Now like this they start. When they turn una to foul, now una go they cry. See them. Anything fast, rush. Since una know the year word. Oh Lord. They go to ask them, may they bring one of una. By the time they deceive una with just one small envelope, una go just fall pa. Una know the year word. Una know the year word. See, una don't ask una self. How come juju man no dey get money? Una don ask una sef this question. How come they never dey get money? If una see where these people dey stay, see, person wey dey talk this thing, you no make mistake. Oh. You can never give what you don't have. Juju man dey give you money, he himself you no get money, and una still dey go. Go check a family, and they sure say they no even get anything to even eat. Why they say they fit deceive una easily like this? Una too dey desperate. I don't dey talk this thing every day. Una too dey nothing good dey come out from all these things. Oh, nothing good dey come out. See, if devil give you one thing, he go collect 10. He go collect 10 for una koro eye like this. It go happen. And if you no fit return am when time don reach, make you give devil, he go kill you. Why una lie? No. See, una do ever hear? No, this question is very important. Una do ever hear say God talk say, if una no give offering, he go kill una. Or una do ever hear say God talk say, if him bless you, make you bring una mama head. Where they happen? By now, I don't even know. And as I dey told this thing now, my people, again guys wey don't watch this video now, they go dey plan now to go meet this same man. Now, wow. They do nonsense. You still they call Father, Son, Holy Spirit. That grace where you don't know, that grace where you know they respect, it go soon kill you. If you not take care, that thing, it go soon kill you. Una know they fear God, una know they respect God, in fact, everything just wahala, my people, serious wahala. Una no say when you work for your money, you get your money for your hand, like legit work. Una no know the joy wey dey inside that thing. Una no know the joy. Say you work, they pay you, they chop your food, like you sabi say this one na your sweat, legit sweat. Una no know say they sweet. Una want fast money. Why una want rich? Una want rich yet una no go fit sleep. Because these people na so e go be. See, for the beginning they no go tell now. They go just give una the sweet part. Say you go get money, you go do this one. When time reach, they go start a demand. The first time they go tell you bring your mother's head. They fit even tell you say you must not sleep from this time to this time. And at that time sleep go dey come. Now why many people they die? Una suppose wake up. All these things now from devil. I no even expect make una they do some kind of things by now. See old men, agbalagbas, we line up for that river. Ignorance. If only una know. Now no go they do some kind of things una they do. They pour 50 naira. 50 naira. How much una they look for safe? How much? How much? See, problem no they finish for this life. Oh. Problem no go finish. If you like, go do rituals. If you like, go do this one. It be like say una no. The more money you get, now so the problems go dey. See, my people, now the matter be this one. I don't even know why I can't over talk. Because I need make una pass this message across. It is very important. Before many people now go. Because this one, as I talk to una, it is very serious. So I beg, I want make una take this thing very serious. Share this video, make everybody know what it dey happen. It is very, very important. You understand? It dey happen for Anambra. For now, where they there, Biko, Ejo, Biko, please, I dey beg, share this video. You feel save person life.